Christmas tide on high. Keep the volume down, magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Hey mamas, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. I had to come in the light so you guys could see. So I'm just gonna catch you guys up. Today is a pretty chill day. I've been at home. I did this makeup look right here. I don't know why, but my eye, like, can you see it? Let me zoom in if y'all can see. I think it just stopped. It stopped, but like my eye's been twitching. This eye just like been twitching like crazy. It's twitching now again. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but today's been a pretty chill day. I've been at home in the house. I haven't been doing honestly anything. The most I'd say was I took forever to do this makeup look that I'm gonna post in a second on the gram. And I did this hairstyle. I was gonna film me doing this hairstyle, but this is like my first time trying it on this wig to see if I liked it, but I do like it. So most likely I will give y'all this hairstyle later on this week, and probably like a vlog or something. I'll show you guys how I achieve this hairstyle. So yeah, pretty much like I'm trying to say is I have a lot of cleaning up to do because honey, it is like messy down here. So I'm gonna just clean up. I'm thinking of doing maybe like a clean with me, or maybe I'll show y'all like bits and pieces like before and after what it's looking like. I think that's like more of what I'm probably gonna do. And yeah, that's it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you want to see my next upload and y'all want to see what I got going on in my life. Subscribe. So what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna show y'all the bed. The bed is like a mess. I have like laundry, if you guys could see. These are all clean clothes. I did some laundry today, so what I'm gonna do right now is just get ready to fold up all the laundry, arrange the drawers, pretty much get everything set and laid out for the week. So stay tuned. That is what I'm gonna have going on currently right now. And my lips kind of messed up. I had on this really pretty like brownish lip. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys are gonna see. So don't forget to head over to my Instagram, my Asia Chanel. Follow me so you can see all the shit that I'm posting over there, all the cute stuff. So yeah, where's my phone? I'm gonna actually post my like edit my pictures so I can get ready to post a picture on my gram. So that's it. I cannot find the freaking phone. Here it is. It's up here. So I'm gonna get ready to edit a picture, and I'm gonna just show y'all guys how the picture looks once I'm done editing it. And I have this really cute, I'm probably gonna go upstairs to show y'all, but I have on this really cute jumpsuit that's by Zara. It's so cute. It's so cozy. I've been into like a lot of cozy things lately. That's like really been my style. It's the whole cozy type of vibe. So I'm loving it. But I'm about to start rambling, so let me just get off, edit the picture, and I'm gonna show you guys how the picture is gonna look that I'm gonna post. I think I'm gonna post like a body picture first because I have a lot of like makeup and face pictures, so I'll post a body picture first. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look in 1 second. All right, y'all, so this is the photo I just posted on IG. I finally got the photo up. It's on there. If you don't follow me, Maisha Chanel. Head over to my Instagram. Go show me hella love. I try to be really active on there. So yeah, show your girl some love. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much all I got done. This is like literally the clothes I just sat here and folded up. I'm about to put the clothes up in the drawer. I'm gonna try to look at this pile right here in particular. These are all the freaking mismatched socks. I just like messed up that shirt, but these are like all the mismatched socks that I some reason cannot seem to find. I don't know about y'all, but my biggest pet peeve is like mixed match socks. I always throw them out. Like, I just hate when I cannot have matching socks. Like, it really pisses me off. So I'm hoping I can find the matches to these socks. But anyway, I'm basically gonna just put these clothes up. Then I'm gonna get ready to change the bed sheets. I can't even talk. I'm gonna change the bed sheets, and then the kids, I think, literally just got here, so let me go open the door for them because they just got home. And I'm gonna come back in and show you guys what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so the bed is officially cleared. They about to get in their bed, but just so you guys can see. So I cleared the bed. I made up the bed. Excuse me, I'm probably like a little greasy now because I've been doing mad stuff. And also, this is like a luminous foundation I have on. I have on Armani Luminous Silk. So yeah, it makes you pretty dewy and stuff. But this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. Sorry it was like super short and quite frankly wasn't the most entertaining. I'll be back tomorrow with a much better and longer vlog. I love my hair. Sorry if I'm playing with it. I might have the same hairstyle tomorrow because I really like it. I think it is like so cute, this little style. But yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna be more entertaining. I'm gonna take y'all through my day to day. Pretty much on the agenda for tomorrow, it's gonna be the first day that I'm gonna try to start waking up early. So as soon as I hop on, I'm gonna tell y'all like what time did I wake up, if indeed I did wake up early, and whatever the case may be. I wanted to have them in bed by 9:30, but we'll try that again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, oh shit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on tomorrow's vlog. See you later, mamas.